Okay, so day 14. Not a good day, to be honest. I mean, this is not bad, I suppose. This is the Marvel kind of wind-up robot character. Little winder on the back, little arms, little horn. Nothing spectacular, but it's okay. Then you got another ship for Star Wars. You can tell by my face that I'm so excited for this one. It's like, what is this? Yeah. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got Harry Potter, another statue, actually quite good, like a bird, maybe a hawk, I don't know, could well be, but not bad, it's okay. I mean, the beauty about the Harry Potter ones is you can use them again in the big hall when you build that, so if you got the big hall. And this was not a helicopter with tracks, this was just a helicopter, my bad, but yeah, you can see, little helicopter, and you have your remote control right there. Give me, okay, there we go. All right, so that's day 14 done. All right, gone. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. See you in a bit. Okay then, here we go. Day 14. Day 14, day 14. What have we got? We've got another statue. Awesome. So excited about building another statue. Okay, sarcasm, best form of wit, I'm telling you. I love sarcasm. Right, and then we got Marvel. Let's have a look at the Marvel. Day 14. Okay. No idea what that is. What's it supposed to be? A robot with a horn on it. Really interesting. Okay. Right. I must say, I think the IP stuff has been quite disappointing recently. Right then, Star Wars. See if you can save yourself, Star Wars. We've got another ship. Another ship. Awesome. I am so happy to build another ship. Please, city calendar, save me. Let's have a look what we got. We got a remote control something. Helicopter with tracks. Okay. Alrighty. Helicopter with tracks it is. Awesome. Right, okay. Let me build this lot and I'll be back in a second. You know the score.